This is the prototype of the project, extraction of oil from plastics. So this is the furnace that we have designed. So inside this we have put water bottles by breaking into pieces, and this has been sealed to avoid if suppose the temperature is high, then sometimes what happens, due to the vapor, this furnace may get opened. So we have made a seal at this particular point, and the heating is being given by means of a cylinder. So what happens was, when the plastic gets heated up, the vapors are being generated, and this is the pathway of the vapor. Initially what happened was, we have tried to get the vapor, but we found it is to be toxic in nature. So what happened was, we have included a pipe to collect this in water. So suppose if you are collecting this in the water, just by having a water bottle, now what happens was, some amount of oil has been deposited on the top surface of the water, and due to high density, this water settles out at the top, so we can extract that water from the furnace. So this is what is the major idea. And if you want to convert this prototype into a huge model, there are few challenges. One is going to be the design of the furnace and how much amount of gas that we are going to use for heating up of this plastic. So on an alternative, what we have think was to design this furnace using a thermal insulation material. So it means that once heat is being got inside, there will be a continuous amount of heating which will take place for the plastic. So you need not waste much fuel to heat this plastic. So that's the idea behind it. So we have, since it's a prototype, we have mounted it, and the gas is being, and the heating is being given like a burner. So this is a burner through which the heat is being given, and this is only a bottom heating. Suppose if we can give any surface heating by means of sources, then obviously there will be a uniform melting of plastics. So that's all has to be included while we are making into a final product. And right now these materials are all again reused. So this furnace is again it's a metal piece which is a scrap. So we have used it for making up of this furnace. And the catalyst what we have used is ordinary sand. So this sand is acting as a catalyst, and since the bottle has been broken into pieces, the catalyst and the bottle pieces, water can pieces gets mixed each other in good proportion, and the heating is being equally distributed through this catalyst, that is your sand. So this is what is the idea of our project. Thank you.